What's up, you friggin' geniuses? So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to solve equations with a fraction coefficient. So let's run through these. Okay, starting at the top. Here we have 2/5 n is equal to 10. Now, a really easy, simple way of doing this is just take your fraction, okay? We're going to flip it, and then we're going to multiply it by whatever we have over here, okay? So first of all, we have 2 over 5, okay? So let's flip it. So that's going to be 5 over 2, right? And then we're going to multiply it by what we have over here, so 10. Okay? How can you multiply a whole number by a fraction? Well, you're just going to multiply the top together and you're going to multiply the bottom together. So on top, we have 10 times 5, which is equal to 50. And then that's going to go over the bottom right here. We don't have a number right here. All we have is 2. Okay, so we're just going to keep the 2. So 10 times 5 over 2 is equal to 50 over 2. But we can actually simplify this a little bit more, okay, because 50 over 2, that's the same thing as 50 divided by 2, right? And what's 50 divided by 2? That's 25. So the variable here, n is equal to 25. Okay, that's your answer. Okay, so that's kind of a shortcut way of solving for these fraction coefficients. Okay, so let's try a couple more. Okay, so here we have negative 5, 6y is equal to positive 15. So what are we going to do here? Okay, so again, we're going to take our fraction. So in this case, it's negative 5 over 6. Okay, we're going to flip it. So instead of negative 5 over 6, we're going to have negative 6 over 5. And then we're just going to multiply these two together. Okay, so let's multiply the top together. So on top we have 15 times 6, right? 15 times 6 is equal to 90. And then that's going to go over the bottom. So on the bottom, we don't have a number down here, but we have a 5 here, so we're just going to keep the 5. So our answer here is 90 over 5. But is our answer positive or negative? Well, a positive number times a negative number is a negative number. So here we actually have negative 90 over 5. Can we simplify this anymore? Well, actually we can, okay? Because the top and the bottom are both divisible by 5. So what's 90 divided by 5? Well, you could do a little long division, but it's simply equal to 18, okay? And then that's going to go over 5 divided by 5, which is just 1. And remember, our answer here is negative, okay? Negative. Okay, so here we're left with negative 18 over 1. 18 over 1, that simplifies to just 18, right? And remember, our answer is negative, so this is negative. Okay, so our variable y is equal to negative 18. And there's your answer. Boom. All right, let's do one more. Okay, so here we have negative 7/4 times a is equal to negative 14. Okay, so again, in order to solve for a right here, all we're going to do is take our fraction, okay? We're going to flip it, and then we're going to multiply it by whatever we have on this side of the equation. So negative 7/4, if I flip it, it's going to be negative 4/7, right? And then again, we're multiplying by negative 14. Okay, so now we're simply going to multiply straight across. So on top, we have 14 times 4, and that is equal to 56. And that's going to go over, well, we don't have anything in the denominator here, but we have a 7 right here, so we'll keep the 7. Okay, so we have 56 over 7. Is our answer positive or negative? Well, let's see. We have a negative number times a negative number. That's a positive number, right? So our answer here is positive 56 over 7. Okay, can we simplify our answer anymore? Well, yes, we can, because the top and the bottom are both divisible by 7. Okay, so let's reduce this. What's 56 divided by 7? That's equal to 8, and then that's going to go over 7 divided by 7, which is equal to 1. Okay, and then 8 over 1 is simply just 8. Okay, so our variable a is equal to 8. All right, guys, so that's how you solve equations that have fraction coefficients. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And if you still have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to try and help you out. Also, there's a playlist attached at the end of the video, so if there's any other topics you need help with, definitely check those out. and I'll see you there.